This is my newest creation is the HVAC system running a portable air conditioner in the new Toyota Sienna. No more putting the vent hose through the window, out the sunroof, through the back windows. No more heat leaking. And we're getting hot. I'll show you how I did it. And it's totally stealth. Drill a hole. Well, the hole's already there in the wheel side cabin where the rear AC is. It's got a little rubber plug. I just kind of widened the hole. Inside is a similar kind of vent hose that comes standard with all the air conditioners, but it comes well insulated. So when I have the air conditioner running, it just vents out down by the rear tire. You would never know. On the battery bank, everything's running off. I can run 10 hours with my solar controller. Have a little solar panel on the roof. Doesn't nearly charge what I'm running. So I actually use the car to charge up. What I used on my way home, all I did was some thick cables, like jumper cable, thick cables, like 2 watt, and you know, put them negative positive on the battery, ran it all the way through my firewall, and then instead of connecting it to the alternator, which everybody seems to do for some reason, I connected to my battery. And by doing that, I'm able to charge my 4 batteries up in 4 to 5 hours versus all day anywhere else, or a couple days. So get you some of that.